So I cheated. I mixed this with this. She's gonna focus. Okay. Orange blaze, okay. This came out like extremely red. Red, orange blaze, something-ish. I don't know. Do y'all like it? I mean, when did this become orange blaze is not red, honey. Hello? No, see me, I be so nervous and so scared that stuff is not gonna come out the way I want it. So I be messing with stuff. And see, I should have just stuck to the box. Okay. By the way, my hair is really soft. I used, hold on, let me show you what I used. Condition my hair with this Mega Moisture Mask, the Coily Nut Oil, the Babasu Coconut Milk, conditioner by ControlHairCare. So this style starts off with flat twist. And when doing flat twist, it is very important to start from the hairline. Use edge control to get any miscellaneous hairs, and it just makes for a perfect looking flat twist. And take your time when you're doing your flat twist because you want this to come out perfect. On to the other side, and 2-strand twists are what we're creating here. Like I've said in my other videos, it is very important to smoothly wrap the hair around the perm rod. Whew, this style is complete with flat twist on one side and 2-strand twist on the other. I will show you guys the finished results of this, but I am beat. I am tired. I'm taking myself to bed, so I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you guys for watching my hair veil dye review. If you like this video and you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and IG at ControlHairCare. See you guys later.